me fall in love with you a little.
Did you make it comfortable, Lily? Did you make it comfy, Lily? Did you make the bed comfy? Is it ready to sleep in? Is your bed ready to sleep in now? Did you make it soft and cushy? You ready to go to bed, Lily? Get in your bed. Oh, Lily Bean. You good girl. Go get your bed. Get your bed. Here, Lily. Get to bed. Lily, get in your bed. Come on. Get your bed. Lily, it's not soft enough. You're going to kill it. You're going to kill your new bed. What are you doing? You're breaking it. You're going to break the new bed. Here. Want to get down on the floor? No. What are you doing to that bed? You going to sleep in it tonight? You going to sleep in that bed? Here, Lily. Get in the bed. Is that your pillow? That your pillow? Oh, hi. Oh, hi, Lily. Hi. You give me 5? Lily, give me 5s. Give Mama 5s. Come on, give 5. Give me 5. Give me 5. No, no growling. Give 5. Give me 5. Give Mama 5. Oh, why you grumbling? You need a nap. You better take a nap on your new bed then. So crabby. Why are you grumbling? You don't like your new bed? You don't like it? Lily! Lily! What are you doing? You're gonna destroy it. That's a no-no. It's mine. No! No! Lily! Lily, what are you doing? It's not a toy. It's a bed. It's not a toy. crazy. Can I have it now? Can I take it? Lily? I'm sending this video to Nana so she can see how crazy you are. Is that your new bed? You gonna sleep in the pocket? The pocket is for Elwood. We thought he would like to sleep in a pocket. See? That's Elwood's new bed. He'll sleep in the pocket. It's not for you. You're a big girl. Aren't you a big girl? Lily? You give Mama 5? Oh, that's a good girl. Give Mama 5s. Give 5s. Oh, good girl. Okay. You be a good girl now.